What have I told you that the dashboards many healthcare teams rely on every day are often showing a simplified version of reality, and that owning your raw data in BigQuery can give you a more trustworthy view of what is really driving engagement and performance? If you've ever made a budget, channel or content decision based on your GA4 Google Analytics report, you need to know whether that report was sampled, thresholded or modelled, because this has a massive impact. Because if you're making decisions purely from GA4 dashboards, there's something important to understand. You're not always looking at the raw truth, the raw data, if you will. You're often looking at reporting or a reporting layer, a version of the truth. GA4 is obviously a powerful platform, but the interface you log into is not your raw data set that you're viewing. It's an aggregated, privacy managed view of it. It applies privacy thresholds, models certain behaviours, estimates unique counts, can even sample large queries. And in smaller segments, which is interesting in healthcare, it may even withhold data entirely. And that matters because where audiences, journeys and decisions are really simple, whether you're analysing HCP engagement or patient education pathways or therapy area content, SEO performance actually just at its basic level or paid media, close enough, that sort of reporting and calling it close enough isn't good enough. And measuring success that way isn't good enough either. This is where BigQuery changes the game. Think of it as your secure warehouse of raw user and event level data. When GA4 is connected to BigQuery, every event that reaches the platform is exported in its original form. No sampled reporting layer, no interface limitations, and far more flexibility to analyse what is really happening on your website and with your target users. You can query it directly, you can audit it, and you can build models tailored to your organisation's goals. So instead of asking, what does the GA4 interface show me, you can actually ask, what does the raw data actually say about our performance and where we need to target? And that allows you to rebuild attribution around real healthcare journeys, analyse engagement more precisely, validate performance across SEO, paid media and AI visibility, and then create a more defensible reporting position for leadership and any future investment decisions. And the difference might seem subtle, but it is important. You move from a sort of dashboard summaries to what I would call, or what we call internally, decision grade data. And in healthcare, where trust, scrutiny and complexity all matter, that can make a real difference. So if you're exploring BigQuery and want to understand whether it could strengthen your healthcare reporting and your decision making, do just feel free to DM me or download the guide linked in the description.